Did you start the video?
Video started.
Okay. Now get some random shots of the cars driving. Like if they were pictures but moving. We gotta find the scooters. There's like no scooters here. I don't know where we are. It's a 3-minute walk that way, I think. Whose shitty parking job is that? See, this is the future of transport. Dude, he's gonna hit his head. Oh, what? This is just my garage. And then zooming in. Where the fuck's the scooter? Oh, is that it? The scooters. And they make you scan the barcode on your ID. That's so dumb. Hunter.
You guys okay?
Yeah. What? Let's go. Okay, ride in progress. Oh, it's our time started. Oh, wait. Do you think I could do a wheelie? Ready? Oh! Look at the front of the scooter. It has suspension. This is sick. Oh, it's so dusty. I want to step in it. Threw it with a cooch. Oh! Yo, get this, bro. Oh, we're going to Lyrical Lemonade, I think. I don't know where it is. A little bit more to your other way. There you go. So today we're gonna be going to Englewood. We're gonna be trying to do the try not to get shot challenge. I'm just kidding, guys. Our dumbasses forgot money. We just spent like a lot of time wasting money and not getting Chipotle. This is why the scooters are awesome. The Lyrical Lemonade headquarters are like somewhere here, I think. Look at that shit. Dude, that shit must have hurted. Oh, no. Oh, dude, this scooter, I hit my ankle. Oh, that hurt. This is what I want. We're coming through heavy. Look at that. This is gonna be so much fun. Ow. Ow. Look, it's like new. She got her entire family to come look at this. Like, imagine if I brought my parents here and like tried to explain this to them. Like, yeah, mom, this is like a rapper. I'm gonna send this to my mom. Here, we're gonna try to get on top of that building right there. Yo, gotta sanitize, bro. Look at the view of the Sears Tower. Look at that. Dude.
No,
we're gonna leave in a second.
We're about to leave.
Oh, they went down there. I wonder what happened down there. Dude. Dude, they just hustle down there, man. Damn. Wait, Hunter, we should go to the faces. We should go to the faces. Okay. Hunter, you really got that good facial lighting. Why are all these people so weird? Look so weird. Dude, the bean. Dude, it's the bean. That means you can go in there.
Wait. I hope you don't have to blur. Maybe you.
I think it's fine. It's good. You can go in.
Go in there, right? This is my pass.
Yeah, it's your pass. No exit? How do you end a vlog?
I don't know.
I don't know either.